Alright, you're working on this Buick today. It's a 1986 Grand Sport. I'm going to change out the fuel filter on it. So, just a little walk around. I need to get out here where my bird can see me so it stops screaming. So, let's get after it. Get this thing jacked up and get the fuel filter changed. Alright, this is the fuel filter. That's the part number. It's a Purelator. It's a 1986 Buick Grand Sport. Get it out of the box. And that's what it looks like. It has a flow. So it's got to be put on there the right way. It is right there. Shouldn't be too bad to change out. Looks like it's been on there a long time, so hopefully it makes it run better. It should. Let's see if I can get it to come loose some more and drain out. There's not much gas here. There she goes. She's very stale. It's got very stale gas in it. I don't know why it's full of air. That's weird. Very weird. That it has air in it. It is very stale gas, guys. That's probably why it's not running that good. Just want to take this time to thank you guys for watching the videos. If you're getting some knowledge out of it and it helps you in any way, or you're entertained, please smash that like button. And if you want to help the channel out even more, subscribe. And I just want to say thank you to all my watchers. Thank God we don't have smell-o-vision. It's pretty bad. Alright, now we're on it. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. See what comes out of that. That's pretty bad. Oh, look at that. Look at all that came out of the filter. All right, that's that one. her. That is her. Alright, this is her running after changing the fuel filter out. It's running a whole lot better than what it was. It's still got some, the gas is very stale, but it's not missing anymore. And she's sitting here purring like a kitten. She's still kind of cold. But yeah, she's running a whole lot better. She's got great throttle response. It definitely woke it up, so I'm very happy with that result. But fuel filter was definitely clogged up. She still got some stale gas in her, but we'll get that taken care of. So that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.